Hi, Darren Hall here from bet72.com. Just a very quick video to show you one of the trading strategies that we've been testing out and using quite recently, which basically involves in-play trading on the horses. You can see here we've got the trading application Geeks Toy set up. We're looking at the 10 past 4 at Kempton. This is on the 6th of May. And we've got a tool set up basically to back and lay with stakes for liability of £30, and basically what we're looking to do is enter the market outside of the current trading range, and we'll just show you that in a second. And the idea is we drop bets into the market, get them matched, and then immediately offset them by 1 tick in order to get matched and make a very small profit on each runner. But we're using very small stakes here. We've just got a test account here which has just got £80 in, just to show you the sort of scalability of something like this. But basically with the software, like I say, we've got the standard staking set up here. I'm out of here, man. And what we've actually done is on the book we have just selected the reverse the book. So basically we've got the back prices on the lay side and the lay prices on the back side, and the idea here is we're going to start putting bets in outside of the range of the current marketplace, and as the betting moves towards us, then they're actually get matched off, and immediately the software will fire a reverse bet into the system, and we'll look just to steal a tick on each particular selection. And we've got quite a strong favourite here and here, so what we're going to look to do, we don't tend to do some runners over the odds of 20, so we're going to concentrate here on this middle part of the actual market. So basically these few runners here, don't think we get involved with a favourite, and the idea is that we're just going to be in the race for halfway through. It's going to show us the progress of the race here. We're not even actually watching this particular race, so we're just doing this sort of blind here, just trading what's on the screen. And again, we're just looking to maybe take £1 out of the particular race. You can see here we've got a very small bank anyway, and the idea would be that we could scale this up with much bigger stakes as we progress and start to build our bank up. Again, because we're at halfway point of the race, then we will get out at that point with any either green or red figure that we've particularly got. And we're just see how it goes. So we're just slightly over time here, but we're looking for the race to start. As soon as the race does start, then immediately what we do is we drop the bets in here. They're on a 10-second fill or kill, which means if they don't get matched after 10 seconds, they will drop out of the market, so they disappear from this portion of the screen here. And we'll immediately fire some more another set of bets into the market. If we do get a selection matched, then we'll just wait for that to get matched off. What we're going to do is actually put lay bets in at the back price, or 3 ticks outside of the back price, which will be down on this particular column here. So each time we'll just be clicking whatever the prices are in here. As I say, basically we don't want to go sort of lower than odds of 3, and we don't really want to go above 20, just because we're using such small liabilities here. We're only going to be dealing in pence in that case. So what we do is see how we go on, and this is a strategy which we've been using for quite a while now, been quite successful. But again, we're just really using micro stakes here just in order to prove the theory and get familiar with it. But again, if you think of a number of races which actually go on during the day and obviously into the evening now with the summer months coming up, then you don't need to take too much out of each particular race to accumulate a reasonable amount of profit over a particular day. So it's a fairly sort of low risk strategy, certainly if you just keep an eye on your liabilities. And again, what you'll find if you're not familiar with the software is all the time, whilst as soon as you've got a bet matched, then your green up or red up figure will be shown in this portion of the screen here. So you can immediately see if for liabilities, if we say have a restriction that we don't want to lose any more than £5 on a race, as soon as we see that hit £5 red, then we'll just be clicking that to red up and get out of a race. Likewise, if we're looking to make £1 or £2 a race, as soon as we see £1 or £2 green there, we can immediately hedge up there. We've got our profit for a particular race, and we will move on for the next, selection. Right, okay, so we've gone in play here. We'll just let those settle down, and let's just drop some bets in and see what happens. Fairly short race this, so we've obviously got to be mindful of where we are here. This is relative to the actual race itself. You can see here the figures going up there and the particular selections getting matched. It's quite fast and furious this, because it is quite a short race, but again we're just looking, as we've got selections matched, again we can just drop in at the particular ones all the time. We're sort of mindful of our liabilities which are actually there, and again we're watching for the particular sections to get matched off. You can see here the match bets that it's actually looking to, or the prices it's looking to actually get it within the market. You can see here we're getting close to our £1 profit already, so there we go, we've got them all matched there, so we've gone over halfway, so we may as well just hedge that. So that will now equalise the profit across all the runners that are actually there. We've got a slightly bigger profit on that particular run, but we're only talking pennies in this case, so we're just actually going to let that run. I mean, to be perfectly honest, it doesn't really matter who actually wins the race, but you can see here in the green figure, then that's our profit on each particular runner. That's taken us, about a minute to do that, and again you can see tiny bank, very small liabilities there, and we've taken £1 out of the market. There's Provenance, which has actually gone on to actually win the race. Makes no difference to us at all because we're green across the book. But again, you can see if you actually scaled that up and took that with a larger bank, and again, as long as you're managing your liabilities at any particular point, you can see exactly where you are within the market. Then there's no reason why this can't be a much higher figure with a much larger bank, and it's very scalable. Like I say, look at the amount of money which is actually in the market. This is perhaps not really a best example in the sense of we've got very limited time to actually get involved. We're in and out of the market within a minute there because it's only a 1 mile race. When we've got some actually longer races, then again we can just keep recycling the bets through the market and look to turn over our money even more and make more profit on a particular race. But like I say, £1 or £2 a race, times that up by 20 or so races a day, then fairly soon you're getting into a reasonable level of profit on a very small risk. Okay, until next time, this is Darren Hall from bet72.com. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.